Why are there not more people talking about how animals keep their cool or stay warm? Let's find out. There are two main ways animals regulate their body temperature: ectothermic and endothermic. Ectothermic animals, also known as cold-blooded, rely on the environment to manage their temperature. Think reptiles, amphibians, fish, and most invertebrates. Take lizards, for example. They bask in the sun to warm up and seek shade to cool down. Frogs and salamanders, they need moist environments to keep things just right. Fish, their temperature matches the water they swim in. And insects, they buzz around more on warm days and chill out when it's cooler. On the flip side, we have endothermic animals, or warm-blooded creatures like mammals and birds. These guys keep a steady internal temperature no matter what's going on outside. Mammals sweat, shiver, and even change blood flow to stay comfy. Birds use their feathers for insulation and have high metabolic rates to keep warm, especially when flying. But wait, there's more. Some animals use a mix of both strategies called heterothermy. Bats and some small mammals can lower their body temperature and metabolic rate to save energy, almost like hitting the pause button. And then there's poikilothermy versus homeothermy. Poikilothermic animals have fluctuating body temperatures, while homeothermic ones keep it steady. Some reptiles manage to blend these traits, staying stable despite being ectothermic. So, whether they're soaking up the sun or running their internal heaters, animals have amazing ways to handle temperature. Stay curious and keep exploring.